Okay. Hello there, I'm Claire Ackroyd and I'm from Bradford Museums, and here I am in Cliffe Castle Park in the glass houses, and we're going to explain an exciting adventure kit to you. Helping me in this explanation is Sophia, who's tested out one of these kits for us. It's based on something that we do in the museums with children, families and schools. We're really missing that, but we have made one of these Explorer kits, and they come here in these in a paper bag, and you might be getting those from Keighley Healthy Living Centre. So they in the kit you get a folded piece of paper like this. You get a sketchbook and a pencil and a roll of cardboard that could be a telescope, I think, don't you think so? And a small box for putting things inside. As well as that, there is an instruction sheet, and read that pretty carefully because that tells you what to do. And you can keep coming back to it and having a good look, but it tells you what to do. Okay, so I'm going to suggest that we start with our piece of paper and unfold it, and on there I want you to make your map. We started my map, and we've also started making it look a little bit brown because that was such a good idea you had, Sophia, making it brown. How did you do that?
We got a tea bag and we sprayed tea all over it with a tea bag right here, which just don't do it apart.
Okay, so you get a tea bag and you just make it a little bit brown by dabbing it like that. And you've also torn the edges of it so it looks like an old treasure map and put some colour on it.
We cut part. So one of us peeled it off with our hands like that, and then you can see that one's been cut.
Wow,
with some scissors.
That's really good. So that treasure map is going to tell you about your adventure. Then as you head off, you can use your sketchbook and your pencil. We've put our names on our sketchbooks, haven't we? And we started doing some drawings in there. And let's take a look at the instructions, shall we, and see what it says. Hey, look, it says, first thing, setting off to be an explorer, find something that's red. Did you manage that? Did you find something that's red?
I found.
Oh, come and put it, let me show you. Put it down here so we can see it. What did you find?
I found a little ladybird from a house.
Wow,
It's a watch, but I lost the elastic band from it, so it went on my wrist.
Wow, that's interesting.
And then I asked my dad to stick it onto my little box, and then put some precious stones that I found in a cave.
So you've put some treasure into your box. Your thing that was red was a ladybird, and this is what I found at home. Look what I found at home. And I thought it was a little bus, so I'm going to put my little bus onto the map too. I also started a drawing of it in my treasure book there, like that. So I've got the drawing of the map. So does that give you an idea? I hope that gives people an idea of what to do with their sketchbook and their map and their telescope, and putting some treasure into a box. Just one more thing I wanted to tell you, and that's about this guy on the picture here. He's on that picture here, and he's also here, look. And this is Herbert Morley, and Herbert Morley was an Edwardian explorer, and he came from Keighley, and he lives in Devonshire Street. And his family stayed at home in Keighley, and he went round the world. And he ended up on an island in the Pacific Ocean called Fiji. And he used to send letters back to his family so that they could join in his adventure too. So it's a bit like sharing adventures between families. Hope you enjoy your adventure. Perhaps ask your family to join in too. And if you don't finish it the first day, then pick it up again and do it for another day. We hope you enjoy that. Bye then.